Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dasha and I was searching on the Pinterest what inspiration I can get and what can I draw today, and then I saw this cute little turtle and I thought maybe I can turn it into the flying turtle. I just draw it and I didn't include the sketch because I wanted to be relaxed and I don't want to have any pressure that it will be nice or good for the video. So I was just drawing and then I recorded the process when I started erasing the pencil sketch underneath the fine liner, and then I started the shadow layering. I'm using the black acrylic ink because they don't lift up and I really like it. I put the black ink in the water brush just to have more control over the painting, and I don't need to mix the colors all the time and matching the colors on the painting. When I was putting down the shadows, I was thinking about where the sun is coming from, because this is a very important step, just to know where to put the shadows down, because you know the sun is shining here from, let's say, above, and then I was thinking about, okay, let's put the shadows on the opposite side of the sun. Because of that, I put the shadows underneath the turtle and just on the corners of the paintings, because I have multiple light sources in the painting, trying to be mindful where to put all the shadows, but I don't know if they are correct. If you know if I can improve on something, just let me know in the comments down below. I was actually going through the shadows twice because I thought that the first layer wasn't dark enough and I want to have the dark shadows because I want to make more dramatic piece. And after that, I just grabbed the colors and put them down. Here I use the light green color, and for the grass I use dark green color. I wanted the grass to have more darker hue of the green because the turtle will be lighter and I want to be more focused on the main character than on the grass itself. You will see later that I will be putting in the grass a lot of little details because it's closer to the viewer. That's why I decided to make it more appealing. I really like the turtle, painting the turtle, because it's one of the easiest animals to paint. Let me know if you want to see some other animals. I need to practice more of the animal paintings on my own, not just copying, because it's really good exercise for the brain. Which animal do you like the most? I can decide because all animals are unique. Eventually I want to own a cat because I am a cat person, even though I never had a cat or I never owned a cat in my life. I really want to try it. Now we're just filling the shell and the body of a turtle with the flat colors. Then here I was using the, the color Flame Orange for the, these strings that are attached to the fire and the lantern above. And it was a perfect color for this section. I usually don't do this. I usually mixed all my colors from the bottles, but I think it was really nice that I don't have to do that here. Just coloring the lanterns with the blue color. It's the primary cyan color. Doing just a little touches of where the light is coming from, and then I use the pink color for the little strings that you see now, just to make sure to have some depth in this piece. I'm just making my way, drawing and coloring in the section carefully and slowly because I wanted to be proud. And then after this pink color or red, I was using the primary yellow on top of whole painting. The other colors I use are marine blue, dark green, and two types of brown color, which is burnt umber and sepia color, if you are interested and you want to recreate something like that. Here I'm just coloring in the grass in the light green color. On top of that, I use Posca pen markers because in my opinion they are really good markers for the highlights and the little details. Recently I discovered that I can use a lot of colors, bright colors, for the effect of giving the glow in the piece. I usually use sunshine yellow, white, aqua green or apricot. Sometimes I use colors that are just a touch lighter. That's it for this painting. I hope you like it. Take care and stay joyful.